A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gift. H for house. I for ink. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.